So namaste everyone, all the way from Rishikesh, Bharat, the Republic of India. I am Prachi. I came here all the way from Qatar, and this ashram is known as the Gurukul Yogashala. I would just like to share my experience in a nutshell. Overall, it has been a very engaging, enticing and emotional journey for me. Personally, I'm very happy to achieve this on my own accord and merit. It's my hard work that I've achieved it all the way through some inconveniences coming out from my comfort zone. But yeah, learning the techniques and the nitty-gritties of everything that they teach us here is really valuable. Thanks and kudos to all the gurus, all the teachers who put in their best effort to show us what exactly yoga means. And I'm going to take a lot of valuable lessons from this ashram. Thank you and namaste.